How do you use TICO at Nevion?
So Nevion has implemented TICO in our flagship software-defined media node called Virtuoso. And we announced it for the first time last year at IBC, that is IBC 2016.
Which challenges does your product solve for your customers?
So we're seeing more and more customers wanting to go 4K UHD, but at the same time, that sort of quality puts high demands on terms of bandwidth. So our customers are looking to be able to use as minimum bandwidth as they can, while at the same time keeping the quality, which is the main point of 4K UHD. So for example, one of our customers that we're talking about who is using it in using Nevion Virtuoso is using TICO to be able to transport 4K UHD on an SDI infrastructure, so SDTI. One of the reasons they chose this also is because they are looking potentially to move to IP. So the TICO gives them the option, TICO in combination with Virtuoso gives them the option to be able to start now with 4K UHD on an SDI infrastructure, and when they're ready, move to IP.
Which benefits does TICO bring over uncompressed?
In our industry, in the area in which Nevion specializes, which is real-time transport of video signals, we are forever balancing quality, latency, and bandwidth usage. And where TICO fits in very well is that it reduces the amount of bandwidth that is required, which is very expensive if you're doing 4K UHD with a large number of signals, but at the same time without compromising quality, and with latency that is very, very low and therefore pretty much real time. So it's that perfect balance between bandwidth, latency, and quality, of course.
What's your opinion on the industry transition to IP, and what role does TICO play in that?
So Nevion has been a firm believer for a long time that IP was inevitable. We were one of the pioneers of using IP in contribution more than a decade ago, and now we're seeing IP appear both in the facilities but also in remote production. And with IP, we're seeing at the same time a demand for higher resolutions, particularly in in major events, particularly sports events. And clearly TICO fits very neatly into that combination of higher quality video and IP infrastructure. And that's also why we're backing TICO. My name is Olivier Suard. I'm the VP of Marketing of Nevion. We have been TICO Alliance members since its foundation in 2015.